Okay, this is the Flexadin Advanced. This is for dogs and cats, which I think is really cool. So your cat or your dog can actually eat these. They're verified safe. This product is specific for to support healthy joints and flexibility. My red healer just turned 7 years old, and we started really upping our game with our dog and started really, we want to take care of the longevity of their joints as they get older. This is a resealable package, which is awesome. It comes with 60 chews. I pulled one out for you. Super squishy. My dog is obsessed with this. Here's my hand. Very easy to chew and swallow. Of course, on the back, it goes over the very short ingredients, all very, very natural, healthy for your dog. Tells you for a dog or a cat that you can just administer one. There's no like weight limits or weight barriers to it, which I just love as well. I give this to my dog once a day as a treat. He thinks they're treats, so I will continue to tell him that.
What's going on there, buddy? How's our little girly? Down doggy yoga? I gotta tell you, this Flexadin, she's kind of an old dog, but before we fed her this, she was getting kind of like a little grumpy and not moving too well, and just kind of had to help her off of the bed instead of jumping off. This stuff is it's just amazing. It really helps her. It's Flexadin Advanced with UC2. I don't know what that is, but whatever is in this pack, we just give her some of these chews. I just give it every other day, just a half one, because she's a Yorkie, so she's tiny. She's happy. She's a lot happier than she was, aren't you? Yeah.
This is Bailey. She tore her ACL a couple of years back, and we put on a brace. They wanted to give her surgery, and I tried many things and nothing really worked. And then I found these, and she gets one a day, and she absolutely loves them. She can get up and down the sofa now. She always wants more, but they're really good. They're for dogs and cats.
Been using Flexadin on my Labski, cross between a Golden Lab and a Husky now, for 4 years. She'll be turning 17 this November. Good old gal, still going. The UCT2 is very important. It stands for chicken collagen. Alright, we got 40 milligrams of collagen in there. And then we got an Undenatured Collagen at 10 milligrams. I highly recommend this product. My good old girl is still on it and still going strong, and she still hikes with me. And I really recommend this product.
boy.